Announcing the Barrett Recovery Red Light Panel, you guys. This is my new panel. It is a combination of 660 nanometers visible red light and infrared light. It's very powerful, 200 milliwatts per centimeter. A lot of brands, like if you look at it, they're only about 100, right? So we purposely designed it to be powerful because yes, you want to be close up to it. Sometimes you're not, so we still want it to be effective. I do this every day. This panel is heavy duty. It is metal. It is grounded, so you're not going to get EMF from it. We purposely designed it that way. The red light really helps with anti-aging, muscle recovery. It wakes you the hell up in the morning and helps you go to sleep at nighttime. It helps simulate sunset, and it is great for anti-aging. If you can get your body in front of this every single day, you will age less noticeably. All right. I do red light every morning. I do about 10 to 20 minutes, depending on how much time I have. I also do this if I do a lot of exercise and I need muscle recovery. It's also great for chronic pain. So if you ever have back pain or neck pain, put this panel on for 10 minutes. You'll instantly notice a relaxation. We do that for post-operative patients in the office. Automatically, everybody gets red light. So if you're looking to get this for yourself, check out our website at postoprecovery.com. Get your panel, man. This thing is rock solid. There's a lot of other red light panels out there. I didn't really spare any expenses because I wanted to kind of, stand behind this product, and I'm very happy with it. Hope you can check it out.